Welcome, gardening enthusiasts. Are you ready to transform your plant care routine and embrace sustainable living? Today, we're diving into the world of self-watering systems, a game changer for busy gardeners and eco-conscious minds. We'll build an efficient wicking bed, ensuring your plants get consistent moisture with minimal effort. It's truly effective. Let's gather our essential components for this exciting DIY project. You'll be amazed how simple it is. First, we have the nylon wicking rope. This braided rope, about a 1/4 inch thick, is key to water delivery. Next, a perforated PVC pipe, about 1.5 inches in diameter, with small holes. It will house our wicking rope. Our classic terracotta pot, 10-12 inches wide, provides the perfect home. It has a drainage hole at the bottom. And here's our clear plastic water reservoir. It fits discreetly at the pot's bottom, holding the water supply. Finally, a vibrant, healthy tomato seedling, ready for planting. This will be our first successful crop. Let's begin assembly. Place the clear plastic water reservoir at the bottom of your terracotta pot. Next, thread the nylon wicking rope through one of the holes in the perforated PVC pipe. Ensure a good length of rope extends from the bottom of the pipe to reach the water reservoir. Now, carefully place the PVC pipe with the wicking rope into the water reservoir inside the pot. Make sure the wicking rope is submerged in the water, ready to draw moisture upwards. Next, fill the terracotta pot with a high-quality potting mix, leaving space for your seedling. Ensure the soil level is appropriate, covering the reservoir and pipe, but not too compacted. Now for the exciting part, planting your healthy tomato seedling. Create a small hole in the soil. Gently place the seedling into the prepared hole, ensuring its roots are close to the wicking rope. Cover the roots with soil, gently firming it around the base of the plant for stability. Finally, give your newly planted seedling an initial top watering. This settles the soil and activates the wicking system. So, how does this ingenious system work? The wicking rope draws water from the reservoir directly to the plant's roots. This ensures a consistent moisture level, preventing both over- and underwatering, which is crucial for plant health. Refilling is simple. Just pour water into the PVC pipe and it flows directly into the hidden reservoir below. This system offers incredible benefits, significant water conservation, as less water is lost to evaporation. You'll enjoy consistent moisture for healthier, more robust plants, leading to better growth and yields. Plus, say goodbye to frequent watering. This system drastically reduces your watering frequency, saving you time. And healthier plants mean fewer pest issues and stronger resistance to diseases. It's a win-win. This self-watering system is perfect for busy individuals, travelers, or anyone seeking a low-maintenance garden. It's an ideal solution for growing a variety of plants, from herbs and vegetables to beautiful flowers. Imagine fresh tomatoes, crisp lettuce, or fragrant herbs, all grown with minimal daily effort. This sustainable gardening method not only benefits your plants, but also contributes to a greener planet. By conserving water and promoting healthy growth, you're making a positive impact, one plant at a time. Our newly planted tomato seedling in its self-watering pot, looking vibrant and full of promise. We hope this tutorial inspires you to try building your own sustainable gardening systems. It's a rewarding experience that brings fresh produce and beauty to your home with less effort. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel for more innovative gardening tips and DIY projects. Leave a comment below and tell us what you're planning to grow in your new self-watering system. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.